This is gonna blow your mind. Ghosts feel real because your brain can't help it. Let's dive in. Alright, so here's the deal. The fear of ghosts is deeply wired into our brains. It all starts with the amygdala, the part of our brain that processes fear and emotions. When we hear a creepy noise or see a shadow, our amygdala goes on red alert. But why ghosts? Humans are storytellers. For centuries, ghost stories have been passed down, making them stick in our minds. Our brains love patterns, so when we can't explain something like a weird noise in the dark, our brain fills in the blank with, you guessed it, ghosts. And don't forget the neurotransmitter dopamine. It spikes when we're scared, making us hyper-alert. That's why horror movies are so thrilling. So next time you're spooked, remember, it's just your brain playing tricks. Stay curious, stay brave, and happy ghost hunting.